Now you guys might notice a monstrosity in the back. That is another project. The camper came with that backboard. It just slides in, or you can slide it in and out. And that backboard had a hole cut in it to where you could put air conditioning. And I had to remeasure the square that was cut out and do a little bit more cutting. And I fit it in there and hooked up one of our spare air conditionings inside the camper. And she works. Now, of course, we're not going to keep the backboard looking like that. Alright guys, here's what she looks like all done. As you see, it's not an ugly board anymore. It is pretty fabric, and it matches the curtains and the rest of the color scheme of the camper. Be sure to check out our other videos where you can see what the air conditioner looked like on the original board before I did this. And you can also check out our videos on the whole painting and putting in a new floor and stripping the pinstripes off of the camper. We have everything recorded and going up showing this whole restore process.